In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a spreadsheet on Google Docs. If you've ever wanted your document to show real spreadsheet data, the most reliable way is to bring it in from Google Sheets and keep it linked so it stays accurate as your numbers change. We're going to walk through a clear, simple process to do exactly that. First, open the Google Sheet that already has the data you want to display. This could be anything from a small budget table to a project tracker. Once you're in the sheet, highlight the exact cells you want to show in your document. Click and drag to select a clean rectangle of data, and consider including your header row so your table is easy to read once it's in the doc. It's usually best to keep the selection focused, pulling in only what your reader needs, so your document stays tidy. With the cells selected, copy them using the shortcut that's fastest for you, Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac. Now switch over to your Google Doc. Place your cursor where you want the table to appear. Setting the insertion point carefully helps your layout stay consistent, especially if the document already has headings or surrounding text. Paste the data using Ctrl+V or CMD+V. Right after you paste, you'll see a small set of paste options. Choose Link to Spreadsheet. This is the key to keeping your table in sync with the original sheet. Linking creates a live connection between the table in your doc and the source data in Sheets, so when the numbers or labels change in the spreadsheet, your document can reflect those updates without rebuilding the table from scratch. After linking, you'll notice the table retains much of the formatting from Sheets, like bold headers and number alignment, which makes it readable right away. If you ever want different formatting or a slightly different range, make those adjustments back in the sheet first. The doc will follow the source, which keeps everything consistent. Linking also helps prevent manual errors, because you're not retyping values or constantly copying new versions. And that's all there is to it. Open your Google Sheet, select the cells, copy them, go to your Google Doc, click where the table should go, paste, and choose Link to Spreadsheet. With this approach, your document becomes a clear, up-to-date snapshot of your data without extra maintenance.